All you need is aluminum foil, and your bills will be lower. Aluminum foil is mostly associated with the kitchen, but its uses go far beyond that. Take a piece of aluminum foil and tear off a section, divide it into 2 parts, place it on the window frame, and press gently. Once it's in place, close the window to ensure the foil adheres tightly. It's a simple way to improve insulation. Put a ball of aluminum foil like this in your home. You'll quickly get rid of ants, moths, spiders, and cockroaches. You'll be surprised by what's hidden inside this ball. Just place it in different spots. Thanks to it, your problems with bugs and insects will disappear in seconds. So grab some aluminum foil and do what I do step by step. Tear off or cut a piece of aluminum foil with scissors. Get some sugar. This treat attracts ants, flies, and cockroaches. Pour 2 tablespoons of sugar into a small bowl. Add 1 heaping tablespoon of toothpaste. Every toothpaste has ingredients insects don't like. That's why toothpaste is often used to fight and repel all kinds of bugs. Add a little citrus peel. It can be grated lemon, lime, or orange peel. Mix everything together. Scoop some onto the aluminum foil and wrap it into a ball. Use a toothpick to poke holes in it all over. This will work on ants, cockroaches, and moths. Place these balls in different corners, especially in the kitchen and bathroom. Put them in cabinets, too. You won't see ants or moths anymore. I'm sure you'll love this simple trick.
Put this in your jacket. I always keep one in my pocket. I honestly can't imagine going without it now. Let me show you what to do. Start by adding 3 tablespoons of dried nettle to a bowl. That's the base. Then add 3 tablespoons of dried mint for that fresh aroma. Finally, toss in a generous handful of cloves. Don't be shy. They make all the difference with their bold scent. Mix everything thoroughly so the ingredients blend together. Now grab a piece of aluminum foil. Spread the mix in the center, fold the foil into a little pouch, and seal it tightly. Use a toothpick to poke a few small holes, just enough to let the scent escape without spilling the contents. Now for the fun part, slip that pouch into your jacket pocket or stash it in a drawer with your clothes. It'll absorb odors and leave everything smelling clean and fresh. This herbal combo releases a warm, natural scent, subtle, but strong enough to linger with you all day.
Place aluminum foil under your carpet, and you'll see why so many people do it. This foil rectangle has several practical uses. Start by preparing the foil. Aluminum foil is not just for wrapping food. It has many other uses that can make your daily life easier. Tear off a piece of foil and fold it into a small rectangle. One use of this foil is to stabilize carpets, especially on smooth surfaces like tiles or hardwood. This prevents the carpet from sliding around while walking, increasing comfort and safety at home. Place the rectangle under the carpet to protect it from moisture. Additionally, foil can repel pets. Cats and dogs often avoid surfaces that crinkle or have an unpleasant texture for them, so this trick effectively discourages them from scratching or biting the carpet. Aluminum foil also reflects heat, which can help maintain a higher temperature in the room. It's an easy way to improve the functionality of your carpet and enhance comfort at home. Wrap your car keys in aluminum foil. You won't regret it. Many drivers do this. This trick isn't for decoration. It's a simple and inexpensive way to stop thieves. Keyless entry systems communicate wirelessly with your car. To unlock the doors, the system must detect the key's presence. This means you don't have to take the key out of your pocket to access the car and start the engine. Unfortunately, this convenience is also useful to car thieves. They intercept the signal between the key and the car by placing a receiver near your home's entrance, where most people leave their keys. Then, they transmit the signal to a device that mimics the key. When placed near the car, it allows them to unlock the doors, start the engine, and drive away. Signal blocking pouches cost anywhere from $40 to $300. But the truth is, you can secure your keys for free. Just grab some aluminum foil from your kitchen and wrap your key in it. According to Polish police, This material effectively blocks the key's signal, making car theft attempts fail.
Put aluminum foil in a pot of boiling water. For years, I worked as a housekeeper for wealthy people. This trick saved me a lot of nerves at work. When I first heard about this trick, I didn't want to believe it worked. Place a pot of water on the stove. Then bring the water to a boil. Cut aluminum foil into squares. Make them into walnut-sized balls. Drop them into the boiling water. I also throw in the cutlery that needs polishing, with tough-to-remove stains and spots. I boil them for 5 minutes and turn off the stove. I lay them on a kitchen towel and dry them off. The cutlery doesn't need polishing, just dry them and they're ready. They have no stains and shine beautifully. The steel has no spots and looks like new. This trick will make ironing much faster. Just spread aluminum foil on the ironing board. It's important to place it with the shiny side up. Then iron the clothing. The foil reflects heat from the board, which straightens both sides of the fabric. Just run the iron over a few times and you're done.
These 3 balls will completely transform your toilet. Plus, you'll save a lot of money. Start by taking a bar of soap and grating it into fine shavings. Soap effectively removes dirt and grease, and it has antibacterial properties to help maintain hygiene in your toilet. Add 1 tablespoon of salt to the bowl. Salt works as an antibacterial agent, softens the water, and helps remove deposits. Add a little toothpaste to the shavings, which not only refreshes but also whitens. Mix the ingredients thoroughly with a spoon, then put on protective gloves. Shape the mixture into small balls. Wrap each ball in aluminum foil. The foil slows down the dissolving process, allowing the ingredients to work longer and more effectively. Make a few holes in the foil with a toothpick. Drop the prepared balls into the toilet tank. Every time you flush, the ball will gradually dissolve, effectively removing deposits, bacteria, and limescale, while ensuring long-lasting freshness. Aluminum foil will clean your oven. If your oven is heavily burnt, this trick will definitely come in handy. Take a dishwasher tablet, as it contains many active substances that effectively handle grease and stains. Prepare a small bowl and place the tablet in it. Add 200 milliliters of warm water. Stir the mixture and let it dissolve. Apply the prepared mixture to the dirty walls of the oven using a sponge. Soak the sponge generously and squeeze it over the burnt food. Next, use aluminum foil. Simply tear off a few pieces and cover the surfaces you previously treated with the tablet solution. If the oven walls are dirty, the foil will hold the substance in place and prevent it from dripping. Leave the prepared oven for 2 hours. During this time, the active ingredients will dissolve the dirt, and you won't have to lift a finger. After this time, simply remove the foil and roll it into a ball. Then lightly rub the inside of the oven. The surface of the foil will lift off the remaining burnt food without scrubbing. You can immediately see how everything comes off beautifully. Finally, wipe everything down with a paper towel or dry cloth, and you're done. The oven shines and looks like new.